Electrostatics, Unit 14, Physics, 10th class. Question 1. The SI unit of charge is answer coulomb. Question 2. The charge of an electron is answer C. Question 3. Like charges answer repel each other. Question 4. Coulomb's law applies to answer electric force. Question 5. Electric field lines begin from answer positive charge. Question 6. The unit of electric field strength is answer Newton per coulomb NC. Question 7. The material that does not allow electricity to pass through easily is called answer insulator. Question 8. The force between two charges increases when answer charge increases. Question 9. Which of the following is a conductor? Answer copper. Question 10. The process of transferring charge to or from an object is called answer charging. Question 11. The charge on a proton is answer C. Question 12. Coulomb law states that the force between two charges is directly proportional to answer the product of the charges. Question 13. An electroscope is used to answer detect charge. Question 14. The electric potential difference is measured in answer volts. Question 15. Electric charges are due to answer movement of electrons. Question 16. The space around a charge where its effect is felt is called answer electric field. Question 17. The force between charge is answer vector quantity. Question 18. Insulators have answer few or no free electrons. Question 19. Electric dipole is formed by answer equal and opposite charges. Question 21. Electric field inside a conductor is answer 0. Question 22. Grounding or earthing is used to answer neutralize charge. Question 23. The electric field due to a positive charge is directed answer away from the charge. Question 24. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Answer electric potential. Question 25. A negatively charged rod brought near a natural object causes answer induction. Question 26. The electric force between charge is inversely proportional to answer the square of the distance. Question 27. Which of the following is not an insulator? Answer aluminium. Question 28. Which of the following is true for conductor? Answer they allow electricity to pass easily. Question 29. When two objects are rubbed together, the charge transfer occurs due to answer electrons. Question 30. The study of stationary electric charge is called. Answer: electrostatic.